Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Hamad and today I am back with another new video of drawing vector portraits from scratch. If you are new here, consider subscribing the channel as I am bringing a lot of vector drawing tutorials on this channel. Today's video is the second part of the video uploaded previously of Justin Timberlake. This video will guide you on how to add shadows and highlights to the portraits. So without any further ado, let's get into it. Create a new layer below the line art layer. Choose the skin tone color and by using pen tool, start drawing the shape inside the outline already created. Include the neck tool in that process so that the face and neck have only one shape. Sample the lips color from the reference photo and start colorizing the lips same as you colorize the face. To add shadows to the lips, choose a slightly darker color than that of lips color and start drawing the shadows as shown in the tutorial. Similarly, use this technique for adding shadows to the face. First choose the darker color and then start shading the eyebrows along with the forehead and beard. Same goes for the eyes and right eyebrows too. I think this step is self-explanatory, so I'm not going to spend much time explaining it. Now add a secondary shading in the same technique as you added the primary shading. To understand this better, just watch the video carefully and note the areas where you have to add shadows and highlights. Again, same 2-layer shading is applied on the clothes too. So you just need to learn this technique and then you are good to go. Now it's time to add highlights to the hairs. Just review the reference image and start adding strokes to highlighted hairs using the pen tool.